Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, but yeah, we have this package here. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. I should probably be doing this on film so you guys can see me actually unboxing it, right? So here it is. Let me just say, you don't send delicate things in a bubble mailer. Just gonna put that out there. So if you can't tell what that is, it is a Herpa Con-Cor school bus. So let me pull this off and we will take a look. So I will give it to them that they wrapped it in cardboard. So that's something, but at the same time, this should have been in a box, in my opinion. Anyway, so back to this. Here we go. So, as you can see, this is a white roof Bluebird Herpa, and the one thing that's kind of different about it is that it's blank. One thing that's different about it is blank. It is intentionally blank, so that is pretty cool. I can put whatever I want to on it. Usually this would come with Washington High School on it or something like that, but yeah, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and just a quick little shout out here. I don't know if you can tell that the camera angles are different, but I'm using my birthday present from Cam, and it's a tripod, so that's cool. Big, huge shout out to him. Like, I'm so excited to use this. It's really awesome. So go check out his channel, and I'm sure you're already subscribed to it, but even if you are already subscribed, go check it out. He's got some fake bus videos on there for you. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.